Welcome back to Sketch Practice 1. Today we're looking at part 3. I'm going to start at this point right here, the length of this line. Right? The whole thing is 3 inches from the top to the bottom. This is ½ an inch and this is ½ an inch. My first line is going to be 2 inches long. I've got my Sketch Practice 1 opened up. Again, here is my first one, here's my second one, now looking at my third one. I'm going to start a new sketch on my front view. On my left hand side, again, I click on these 3 eyes. On my view box, I click on front. I'm going to click my line tool, and my first line is going to be 2 inches long. Then it goes to the left. Again, go back to my blueprint. This line here, if this is 3.5 from left to right, this line is 2 inches. That leaves me with 1.5 inches, 1.5. Go to left, I click, type in 1.5. Then I'm moving in the downward direction, again back to my blueprint, ½ an inch. Moving to the left, I see 2 inches. Then it goes up. Again, I look back at my blueprint, it looks like the length of this line is 1.5. Then it goes to the right. I go back to my blueprint. It goes to the right, 0.5 or ½ an inch. Then it goes up again, back to my blueprint. The height of the whole thing is 3 inches. The height of just this half is 1.5, so this line here needs to be 1.5 or 1.5 inches. And I'm moving to the right. The length of this line is 2 inches. Then it goes down ½ an inch and connects back to my start point. Again, I should see a gray object, fully bound. All of my dimensions are black and it's fully constrained. Next up, my 3 circles. This larger circle here is 1 inch. And the 2 smaller circles are ½ an inch or 0.5. Again, every circle needs 3 dimensions. So I'm going to start by going from the left side to the right side. Left side to right side is 1 inch. Dimension. Left side to right side, 1 inch. And then from the bottom to my center is 0.75. Black means it's fully constrained. This circle is good. Let's focus on these other 2 circles. From the left side to my center is 0.75. And from the top to the center is also 0.75. Last circle, from the bottom to the center is 1.75. And from my left side here to to the center is also 1.75. Again, all of my circles are now black. It's fully constrained. All my dimensions are there. I can hit Finish Sketch. I do my extrusions from the isometric view. Go to Extrude. Click on your object. My extrusion for part number 3 is 1.25. Hit my check. And there is Sketch Practice 1, Part 3. At this point, I've now completed all 3 of Sketch Practice 1. So you can go ahead and hit Share and enter my email address in the prompt here and hit Share.